Hi all of you, back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you what is git tag and how you can put a tag in your commit, okay, in your specific commit. If you want, you can do it as well. Good sudo su to be a root user first. Let me clear screen. Now let me first show you all the commits. Git log hyphen one line, okay. Okay, first let me go to my repo, which is Singapore Git. Okay, now it's time to run that command. So these are all my commits. Okay, if you want to like put a tag like this is your important commit or this is your important or anything you want to add, okay, so you can do it. So there is a command, let me show you. First let me run this command here. Okay, so now you can put a tag by using git tag hyphen a. Now what you want to write here, like I want to write vic means very important commit. Okay, so this is vic, and now hyphen m, you can write anything. Hyphen m for, as you all know, for message, to write a message here. Let me write a message like what message should I write? This is important commit. Okay, so my message is there. Now if I run this command again, let me first clear the screen. Okay, so let me first, now you can see that this is my vic. Now you can see that why it only added this tag to this commit, because I do not mention the commit id. Okay, so this is, as you all know, this is 40 alphanumeric commit id, so you have to paste this as well. Let me show you how you can do that. Let me run that command again. So now by after pressing space, giving space, okay, now you can add any commit id like this I have selected, and you can paste this by doing this, only right click. Okay, now if I press enter, fatal vic already exists. Okay, vic is already exists. Okay, so if you want to vic, so let me just change something. Let me just change the not vic, let me write uh, important. Let me write in capital important. Okay, so now let me just press enter. Now you can see there is no error, which means your tag is successfully added. So how you can check that? By git log hyphen one line. Now you can see git tag important. This is, so you can see that this is your id, commit id, and there is your tag. Okay, so if you want to check the tags, what all tags are created by you, you can check by this git tag. Now you can see there are only two tags I've created in front of you. Okay, so you can see that they both exist here. You can check this as well. Git show like, let me write, you have to write your tag name vic, so it will show all the place where your vic tag is added. Okay, so there you can see this is important, this is the message. Okay, and this is your commit id. I always say 40 alphanumeric, this is your commit id, and there is your tag vic. Okay, so it will show like that. Now press q for quit. Now again, to clear the screen, you can also delete tag. How can you do that? Let me show you. Git tag, now you have to write hyphen d for delete. Okay, now you have to write tag name. Okay, so my tag name is vic. So if you press enter, deleted tag, as you all can see. Okay, so it is showing your id as well. So if I run that command again, git log hyphen one line, so you can see there is no tag. Okay, but there is your tag. Also you can check here as well, git tag, there is only your now important tag is left. Okay, so that's how you can check and delete as well. So if you run that command again, hyphen d, if I write here instead of vic, if I write here important. Okay, so it means it will also delete this tag. Okay, now if I run that command again, give hyphen one line, so now you can see that there is no tag. But before, in this line, let me scroll up little bit, but there you can see that here your tag is exist. And also if I go up, so now you can see that your tag is also exist, but here there was not, because I deleted. So these are some commands. I hope you all are now understand what is the purpose of git tag. So when you working in an organization or in a company, so there will be thousands of commit, there will be hundreds of commit. How you can identify which commit is important for you, which commit is you want to see again after some days, or if you want to show to somebody, so you can put a tag in front of that commit. So it helps a lot for a developer, also for a DevOps engineer, and everyone for software engineer. Okay, so this will help who use git and github. Okay, I think yeah, that's about for today, and you can check this out document which is in the description. Okay, you can check that out as well. I will put the link in the description. And yeah, that's about for today. I will meet you in my next video.
ਹੋਣਾ ਹਾਈਵੇ ਬਲੌਕ ਪਿੰਡ ਦਾ ਵੇਨ ਹੋਣਾ ਹਾਈਵੇ ਬਲੌਕ ਪਿੰਡ ਦਾ